When wealth and fame are a part of your life, can you lose everything in an instant? BG's story is about how a rapper rebuilt himself from behind prison walls and how he turned his struggles into a comeback. Will his journey inspire you to overcome your own challenges? Let's embark on this story together. BG, whose real name is Christopher Noel Dorsey, was born on September 3, 1980, in New Orleans, Louisiana. His journey was filled with childhood hardships. The early death of his father had a profound impact on his life. For BG, music became a refuge where he expressed his emotions and struggles. He began rapping at just 12 years old. His original name was Christopher, but he was known as Lil Doogie, a name that reflected his young age and fresh entry into the rap community. He met a young Lil Wayne, who later became his friend and collaborator. This childhood friendship would profoundly influence both of their careers. BG's foray into rap marked a turning point in his life. The culture of New Orleans, infused with jazz and funk, was evident in his music. As he embarked on his musical career, he shaped his rap style, influenced by the environment around him. He told the stories of people facing similar struggles as his own. His passion and stories were reflected in his lyrics, which not only made him a rapper but also created a place for him in the hearts of his audience. This early phase of BG's life shaped his character and significantly impacted his music. His childhood hardships became the foundation of his lyrics, resonating with fans and aspiring artists alike. In 1993, BG signed a contract with Cash Money Records, marking a pivotal moment in his life. During this time, he formed the group Hot Boys with Lil Wayne, Juvenile, and Turk. Their debut album, Get It How You Live, was a commercial success that catapulted them into mainstream fame. This album not only advanced BG's career but also gave his music a new identity. Hot Boys were not just a group, they represented a movement that transformed rap music. BG's charismatic delivery and raw lyricism made him a prominent figure in the music industry. Hits like I Need a Hot Girl and We on Fire dominated the charts, establishing BG as a key player in the rap scene. His music had a unique blend of genuine storytelling and the culture of New Orleans. This style set him apart from other artists. As he stepped into the music world with Hot Boys, his charisma and confidence were remarkable. His music was not only a reflection of his life experiences but also connected deeply with his fans. The success of Hot Boys provided BG with a financial boost. The money he earned from music was not just for himself, he dedicated it to those around him as well. This group was known not only for their music but also for promoting their region and culture. This newfound fame translated into wealth. The albums by Hot Boys sold thousands of copies, and BG's unique style garnered him a loyal fanbase. His initial earnings laid a solid foundation for his subsequent solo career. BG released his first solo album, Chopper City in the Ghetto, in 1999, featuring the hit, Bling Bling. This single reached number 36 on the Billboard Hot 100, not just becoming a chart topper but also turning into a cultural term. The term, Bling Bling, symbolized wealth and success, reflecting BG's growing affluence in the music industry. In his solo career, he achieved significant success with his debut album. BG's music showcased his real-life stories and lifestyle. His albums, Livin' Legend and Heart of Tar Streets, Volume 1, solidified his reputation. These albums were not only commercially successful but also received critical acclaim. BG established his unique position in the industry with his distinctive style. His lyrics reflected the struggles of his life, creating a deep connection with his audience. It was this uniqueness that set him apart from other rappers. When his music was played, his stories resonated with listeners' hearts. By 2023, his net worth was estimated to be around $1.5 million. This wealth came from his successful albums, tours, and endorsements. BG's popularity and sales of his songs provided him with financial stability, and he also invested this wealth into his personal life. He had a particular passion for cars, acquiring luxury vehicles like Lamborghinis, Mercedes-Benz, and Rolls-Royces. This was a significant moment where BG demonstrated that he was not just following trends but was a trendsetter himself. The term, Bling Bling, became a symbol of wealth and success, reflecting BG's rising affluence in the music industry. However, this journey was not without challenges. In 2012, BG faced serious legal issues, resulting in a 14-year prison sentence. This period was a major blow to his career and financial situation.
Being incarcerated not only halted his earnings but also gave him time to reflect. For him, this time was not only a source of distress but also an opportunity to redefine his life goals. He contemplated how, when he returned, he would need to explore his music in new ways. This moment in BG's life forced him to realize how his net worth was tied to his actions. This time became a turning point in his life. Upon returning to the music industry, he demonstrated to his listeners how a new journey could begin after every difficult time. He used his music to share his life experiences, inspiring his audience to overcome their challenges. BG's story teaches us that facing legal issues is tough, but every difficulty presents a learning opportunity. His comeback is not just a tale of personal triumph but also a reflection of his financial struggles and resilience. After his imprisonment, BG re-entered the music industry. With his comeback, he showed his fans that he had learned from not only his time in jail but also his experiences. His new album, Too Hood to Be Hollywood, showcased his talents. BG's comeback story is not only a testament to his resilience but also marks a new chapter in his life. Upon his return, he shared stories with his listeners that blended his struggles and successes. He inspired everyone to see how a new journey could begin after every challenging moment. His comeback demonstrated that no tough time could permanently hold him back. His music not only reflected the struggles of his life but also served as a source of inspiration for his audience. His story is not just his own but resonates with anyone facing life's challenges. BG's return illuminated his wealth and fame in a new light, showing that he still holds a significant place in the industry. Through his music, he illustrated that it is not just wealth that matters, but also the stories and life experiences that hold value. BG's story is a lesson for us all. He showed that no matter how many obstacles you face, if your emotions are right, you can always make a comeback. His name symbolizes not just wealth and fame but also serves as an inspiration. So starting today, think about how your story unfolds and how you too can overcome your challenges. If you enjoyed BG's story, please like and subscribe so we can share more such stories with you.
I got a big bag coming when he pop out till he get here, me and